Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brislenny, and yeah, welcome and stick around please. And please give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. That would help me out a lot actually. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this feathered brow look. It's like the new trendy-ish brow look. It's feathered, it looks more natural. A lot of the models are using it, and this is just my take on how to do it. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and let's get right into the video. First step, get all your supplies. Okay, so really the most expensive thing I have is the Glossier Boy Brow, but this is basically the main thing that you need. If you don't have something like this, I will insert a dupe here. It's $30. It is pretty small, but honestly it's worth it, and I love how it makes my eyebrows look. Then I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey for the concealer to clean it up under, and this is like $4, $3 at the beauty supply. And then this is just a brush, like this is a flat concealer brush, and yeah, you could get this at Ulta or something similar. I don't remember how much this costs, and this is pretty old, as you can see. It's beat up. But yeah, let's get right into this. Okay, so my eyebrows are looking real crusty right now. I haven't done them in a while, and sorry I'm so close up. I feel so weird being so zoomed in. Anyways, first off, you can brush your eyebrows before, like with a spoolie if you want to, but I usually don't. But I'm just gonna do this for the purposes of this video so it could come out better, but it works without it. So I'm just brushing them upward. So now I'm gonna take the boy brow and I'm just gonna take it out and just brush the excess off onto like the corner rim, just so it isn't too much, because sometimes it is too much. Okay, now I'm just gonna start from like right here and then just brush up. Like, look at the difference from this brow to this brow. Like, there's already a difference, but if you want to darken it, just like keep brushing it up in like the same pattern, just so it doesn't lose the shape you want it to be in. And it might look messy, but with the concealer, like it fixes it all up. I don't like the eyebrows too dark because my natural eyebrows aren't that dark, as you can see. Like, they're very thin, but we're making them look bushy and like feathery. So I'm just adding more of the product from the little bottle, the boy brow, and in the middle parts, because we want to keep like the front a little bit faded still. Like, do it lightly, not like push onto it. And yeah, that's basically all I do. I only do 2 coats of it, and that's that brow. I'm gonna use a concealer now to clean it up in the bottom. For the top, I don't use concealer because I don't know, I feel like it looks weird to me. I usually go in with the foundation that I'm using and I put it along the top, and I'll show you guys that too. So I just take the concealer and just put some on the brush from earlier, and now just I raise my eyebrows like this and go in from the outside. And brush it thinner towards the front part and just bring it down. Now just take my pinky and just go like this, just to take off like the harshness from that, and then just blend it out like there. And just tap it so that like fades away a bit. So that is the first brow. I'm gonna do my other brow off camera, and then I'll be back with the foundation part so you guys can see how it looks like when I put the foundation on. Okay, so I put my foundation on. I'm sure you can see how like on the where the eyebrows are, like there's a space between like the foundation and like my skin. Like, it looks really weird. So what I'm gonna do is just take the excess of that foundation. I put my foundation on the cap of the foundation bottle, and I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the shade 410C. It's my favorite. And I'm just gonna take the same brush I used for the concealer for the eyebrows, and I'm gonna put that on top of my eyebrows. And I just add a little bit on top and I follow its shape and then just spread it apart like this. And do the same thing with the other brow. I just make sure to like clean it down so it doesn't look like a harsh line. Just like blend upwards to my skin. And that's the tutorial. These are my feathery eyebrow look. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and have a great day or rest of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I hope you enjoyed this natural feathered brow look, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.